Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to talk about an important and increasingly popular topic, lifelong happiness. In this video, I'll be discussing 5 key secrets to achieving lifelong happiness that you may not be aware of. I'll be offering advice on how to use these secrets to build a life of genuine fulfillment and joy. So if you're looking for insights and inspirations on how to make lasting happiness a part of your life, keep watching. 1. Pursue your passions. The first secret to achieving lifelong happiness is to pursue your passions. What are the activities and interests that make you feel alive, excited and fulfilled? Figure out what brings you joy and make time to do it. Maybe it's painting, dancing, learning a new language, or volunteering. Whatever your passions are, make a plan to do them and make them a priority. Don't let your career, commitments, or other obligations prevent you from tapping into your interests. When you make time to do the things you love, this sense of joy will spur a lasting happiness. 2. Practice gratitude. The second secret to achieving lifelong happiness is to practice gratitude. When you regularly express your appreciation for what you have and who you are, you will experience a greater sense of contentment, enjoyment, and satisfaction. You can start this practice by writing in a gratitude journal or making a list of your blessings each day. Engage in mindful moments to really appreciate the present. You can also practice gratitude by expressing your appreciation aloud to those around you and look for the small joys that life has to offer. 3. Build strong connections. The third secret to achieving lifelong happiness is to build strong connections with the people you care about. Relationships fuel our lives, and having a strong support system is essential to our mental and emotional well-being. Invest in your relationships and make sure to reach out to your loved ones regularly. Doing this will ensure that you have a continued source of love and connection in your life. So even on the days when you feel down, you know that you have someone to turn to for comfort and reassurance. 4. Invest in yourself. The fourth secret to achieving lifelong happiness is to invest in yourself. Happiness doesn't just come from external sources. Make sure to prioritize your own needs and desires and practice self-care to stay balanced and centered. Find ways to practice mindfulness. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Until next time, remember, we think therefore we are.